Good morning, class 2. Children, I hope you all are fine. And today we have started a new chapter, that is lesson number 2, Role of Computers. So I will just be revising what we have already discussed in the class in this video. So in this lesson, children, we are going to study about role of computers, identifying the fields where computers are used, identifying the places where computers are used, and various skills to learn. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Computer is a very useful device. Today there is widespread use of computers in almost all important activities of daily life. We have discussed in previous class also, you have seen practically also, and in this chapter also we are going to study about how we can use computer in our day-to-day lives, and almost all the important activities of our daily life are somehow related to the computer. We can see computers at schools, homes, offices, hospitals, and several other places. Even you can think of so many places where computers can be used. Let us know about the role of computer at various places. So we will be studying about the role of computer in these different places. Okay. Now first, school. Report cards are prepared by your teacher with the help of computers. All of you have seen report cards, your report cards, and you know that they are prepared by the computer. So it is a very important use of computer. Computers are used in the admission process, maintaining school library and collecting fees, etc. Why it is used here? Because the records have to be maintained for a very long time, because the data may be required. Suppose you have taken admission in LKG and in class 3 or 4th you want to leave the school, so they should be having all the details related to your admission. Okay, so that is why computers are used for maintaining all these records. Teachers take help of computers while teaching, means they can use computers for showing something to you or for explaining the lessons, like you were having the smart boards in the school. Okay, so they were a type of big computers. So teachers also take the help, and even today, these days also, you can see that your teachers are taking classes. Some of them are taking using phone, and some of them might be taking using computer, laptop. Okay, so it is useful in that regard also. Okay, children, now I am on page number 14, home. Now we will see how computer is useful at home. We take the assistance of computer in doing our homework and playing games. So these days, because most of us are at our homes only, we are not going out, so we can take the help of the computers in our homework for searching something and for playing games also. Your parents plan their monthly budget with the assistance of computers. They can decide what to buy, what not to buy, where to send the money, how to do things, and what to how they are going to plan their monthly budget. That can be done also using computer. Now, the computer assists you in listening to music and watching movies. You can listen to music, you can watch movies, you can see various kinds of videos, you can download, upload, and install various applications. So, it is very useful in that regard. Now, the computer assists us in buying things while sitting at home. This process is called online shopping. Means you can buy various kinds of things. You can buy clothes, electronic items, and various number of things using the computer. And I'm sure most of you must have seen this process, and even you must have ordered things for yourself also. Now, do you know buying items from home using a computer is known as online shopping? You can make payments of your bills using computers. So, when we buy things at home using a computer, it is known as online shopping. and we can also make payments of our bills using the computers. We can pay our bills, like you can pay the electricity bill, you can pay the phone bill, you can pay for Wi-Fi also. So various kinds of bills you can pay using the computer. Okay, so children, today we will do till here, and now we shall meet in the next period. Bye bye, take care.